Oh, I have forgot the table. Don't tell anyone that I use the same rug that I used for before.
It's amazing. It is like riding in a fairy tale. This is a fairy tale.
And that was pretty much it.
Okay, I'm sitting here again, and tomorrow I will return back to Norway on motorcycle, of course. My plan is to ride next stretch of the Norwegian TET, the stretch that I didn't ride last time, and at this point I will start in a place called Støa in Norway, and from there I will go back to Vågåmo, where I finished, or where I lived the Norwegian TET last ride.
I have done some change in my equipment since last ride. The first and biggest difference is I have bought me new pants and new boots with Gore-Tex, and the pants is Gore-Tex Pro laminated Gore-Tex pants, and I don't know what type of Gore-Tex it is in the boots. It really doesn't matter, but it's Gore-Tex in the boots as well. And not the best thing to do when riding. You have to sneeze with your helmet on. But I really had to do it. Yes, you can see the fuel light is on, and it has been on for a while. But it's around 4 kilometers to the next place where they have a fuel station. Yes, Rörbäcksnäs in Sweden, close to the Norwegian border. And here is the place where they should have the fuel station. And now we are really close to the Norwegian border. This is how it looks. In Sweden. And here we are in Norway. I am back on the Norwegian TET, my friends. Oj, 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 oj. Oj, oj, oj. Försvinner du. Hej då. A beautiful evening. It's 5:30. And as you can see, it's really nice weather. And it's a lot of it's a lot of animal right here. Hey! It's goats. They are little cute ones. So, I hope to find a nice place to put up my tent. My first plan was to reach Støa and I have reached Stöa, and I have ridden 70 kilometers after Stöa, and I will try to ride 100 kilometers from Stöa today, but right here, as you can see, it's a lot of hytter, cabins, so it's not a really good place to... I think this will be a nice place to put up the tent for the night. I can't see anything about a fee, a cost, but when looking here it says parking for tent and camping, so I guess it's allowed to stay here. So I will just clean up a little behind that shelter, and I think that will be really nice, actually, really nice. Yeah. I think this will be perfect for tonight. Now I'm going to make me something to eat and drink coffee before I make everything ready for the night. I haven't blew up my air mattress and put out my sleeping bag and things like that, but I am so hungry, so I really need something to eat before I do anything more. And today, a new one that I never had tasted before, chicken tikka masala. I used almost exactly 220 gram of gas on my last trip, 9 days, and instead of taking one would be enough, but instead of taking 230 gram canister, I took this 300 gram canister. That will be more than enough, I think. You don't have to do it the easiest way all the time. You can do it complicated as well, like this, and putting it on the floor. I will take a lot of water and boil, because that will be good for cooling it down, and then I can fill up my water bottles with the boiled water. It doesn't fit. What a bloody... I have to test. That's a risk to have only one canister, but luckily I have a canister to my mosquito repellent, so I'm not totally smoked, but this wasn't good at all. But this one fit, and it's the same
but I can't get anything out of it. It doesn't work. This canister doesn't work. That's why you should always test everything, every single thing at home before you leave. But you don't think you have to test a gas canister. This one isn't full, so I don't have really much gas because I can't use this one. When I get home, I can fill from this canister to this one, but it is the thread is not good, and then this one fits, but even if I open it, there is not coming any gas. So I have 300 gram of useless gas. But enough. I will go and get me some water. So it's not a big problem, but it's not fun. Actually, it is a little fun, because I should have tested. I had 2 canister and I tested one of them, and then I took the other one with me and that's actually a little funny, but yeah, at least I was able to show you why you shouldn't rely on one gas canister. This is wonderful. This is so wonderful. I really love this. Gas canister. Yes. A rolling boil. Oh, that wasn't enough. I have to get a little more water. Oh, this one. It's soup, but maybe not. Tikka masala, chicken tikka masala. First time. Not bad, but curry, well, it's a little strong. Chicken curry is better, but this one is good also. My favorite so far is kebab casserole, and then chicken curry, and after that it was some type of wilderness casserole. I don't know what it's in English. Viltgryte. That's on 3rd place, and this one is on 4th place. It's not like the other one, but not bad. I also have pasta bolognese with me, and I have a sausage. I have to get that one. Wait. I will be back. It looks like it's going to be rain tomorrow, maybe. Or maybe already tonight. You don't have to sit and look at me eating. See you tomorrow or later this evening. It's 10 minutes to 9 and I'm sitting here in my cozy little tent. And as you can see, a lot of space. For some reason I am sleeping in wrong direction in the tent. I always have my head in that direction and my feet in that direction, and actually it should be the opposite, but it feels so strange, and this is also my bad. My bad. When I were at Aurskjöveien, I slept at this side because it was like a hole under that bed. It was really leaning, so I couldn't lay there. So I have to sleep at this side, and in my sleeping bag I always have my zipper to the left, and when I am laying there the zipper to the left is into the wall, so I need to have the zipper to the right, and that's felt very strange. I don't know why, but this is my place. And I want to have my head in that direction, otherwise it feels so strange. But that's it. So yeah, that was all for tonight. See you tomorrow. Bye.